A brief explanation of time management. Time management is the process of planning and organizing how to allocate your time effectively and efficiently. It is a crucial skill for achieving success in both personal and professional life. By managing your time well, you can prioritize your tasks, set goals and deadlines, and ensure that you are using your time in the most productive way possible. A key principle of time management is setting priorities. It is essential to understand what tasks are most important and need to be completed first. This can be achieved by creating a to-do list and sorting tasks by level of importance. It's also important to set realistic deadlines and break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable chunks. An important aspect of time management is being mindful of time wasters, activities that consume time without providing any real value, such as constantly checking social media or procrastinating. By identifying and eliminating these, you can free up more time for important tasks and increase productivity. Effective time management also involves learning to say no. It's easy to become overwhelmed by too many commitments and tasks, and by learning to say no to non-essential activities, you can focus on what's truly important. It's important to remember to take breaks and schedule time for rest and relaxation. This can help to refresh the mind and prevent burnout. For more brief explanations, like and subscribe.